I'm going to show you how to attach the legs into a pair of legs. So this is what we're going for, and this is what we have. I have both legs. This is the second leg that you make, leg B, and this is leg A. They're exactly the same except for I crocheted 6 over so that they line up better when we attach them. So from here I'm going to chain twice. And now I'm going to attach it to the other leg. I'm just going to go through the next stitch on the leg from where we fastened off, just like I'm doing a normal single crochet. So now I'm going to single crochet around this leg. It has 16 stitches, so as you're going, I like to count 16 around this leg. And once I've done that, I'm now going to crochet in those 2 chains. I'm going to go on one side of it, and then when we get it back around, I'll be on the other side. But here I'm going to double check and I'm going to count 1 and 2. You see I just go right up through there. And now I'm going on to the next leg. Make sure when you go in that you get the stitch right next to the chains. If your count is off, in my experience, I missed that one. So just something to remember. And again, this is 16 stitches on this leg. And that stitch marker shouldn't have been there. I should have taken it out. It's just from the earlier. We're going to ignore it and keep going for 16 stitches. Okay, when you're done with that 16 stitches around the entire leg, I'm going to go on the other side of the chains and I'm going to crochet in both of them, a single crochet in each chain, which would be 2. So this is where now they're connected, and I'm going to put in the stitch marker here. And then you're going to single crochet all the way around till you get back to that stitch marker. Once you've crocheted all the way around, I'm going to put this stitch marker back in, and then I'm going to single crochet in the next 6 stitches. This is just to even up the legs for when you attach them to the other legs. And then you're going to fasten off here and set it aside while you make the other pair. Just a quick note that you can see in the background, they are my finished legs. So this is still what you would do for the first leg. I just deleted that video on accident, so I'm just showing up to this point. Now go to the next video so we can attach these buggers.